Hello students. Now I am going to explain you the chapter 9, Force and Energy. Through this chapter you will learn about the different types of force, energy and simple machines. What is force? A push or a pull acting on an object is called force. Now you can see few pictures given on the screen. See how force is being used to perform various activities such as cycling, cooking, walking, eating and playing football. Most of the actions that we perform in our daily lives involve pushing or pulling something. Effects of force. Force can make a stationary object move or make a moving object move faster. And force can make a moving object slow down or stop. Force can change the shape of an object, and also force can change the direction of a moving object. There are different types of forces. Some of them are gravitational force or gravity, magnetic force or magnetism, electrostatic force, mechanical force, buoyant force and frictional force or friction. Gravitational force or gravity. Gravitational force or gravity is the force that attracts object to the center of the earth. If you throw a ball up, it comes down after some time because of gravity. It is the earth's gravity that keeps us and all other objects on the ground. Magnetic force or magnetism. Magnetic force or magnetism is the force with which magnet attracts metals such as iron and nickel. Here you can see in this picture the iron rod is attracting towards the magnet. Magnets may also repel each other with the help of a magnetic force. Here you can see in this picture opposite poles attract and same poles repel. Electrostatic force. The force that a charged body exerts on another charged or uncharged body is known as electrostatic force. If you run a comb through dry hair, the comb gets charged and is able to attract tiny beads of paper when brought near it. Mechanical force. A mechanical force comes into play when a pull or push comes in physical contact with the object. Now here you can see when you open a door, your hand pushes the door opening it. Mechanical force can bend, break or compress things. Buoyant force. The upward force exerted by water on an object is known as buoyant force. The buoyant force is equal to the weight of the water displaced by the object. This is known as Archimedes' principle. If we push down a ball, you can see here in this picture, if we push down a ball on water, we feel an upward thrust. The upward push of water on a floating object is called buoyant force. This force acts on every object, even on you when you enter a swimming pool. force or friction. Frictional force or friction is the force that tries to stop the movement of objects across a surface. Friction always acts in the opposite direction of movement of an object. Now you can see few advantages of friction are frictions between our feet and the ground makes it possible for us to walk. We find it hard to walk on ice or on a smooth polished floor as movement across surfaces produce less friction. Friction between the chalk and the blackboard makes it possible to write. Now, few disadvantages of friction are friction makes it hard to slide heavy object. Friction generates heat and causes damage to machine parts. Friction causes damage to tires of vehicles. This is why machines parts need to be oiled regularly. Thank you, students.